Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Nice Expedition. Today we are going to talk about the microscope and today we are going to identify the parts of the compound light microscope. So in one of the previous video which I did about the microorganisms, I explained some facts about the microscope. So the main use of the microscope is to observe the microorganisms and the bacteria which can't be seen to the naked eye. There are three types of microscopes. The first one is the simple microscope or the hand lens, which we all know. The second one is the compound light microscope, which we can see here. And third one is the electron microscope. So in this compound microscope, there are many useful parts to identify. So let's identify them one by one. So this is the base of the microscope, which holds the microscope, and this is the reflector or the mirror. In some compound light microscopes there is no reflecting mirror, they have fixed a light to here, and this mirror can be a convex lens or a plane mirror. This is the stage and here is the stage clips. The use of the stage clips is to fix the slide onto the stage. And here is the objective lenses. There are three objective lenses. The first one is the low power objective lens, the second one is the mid power objective lens, and the third one is the high power objective lens. Here is the body tube, and at the end of the body tube it is the eyepiece. So the use of the eyepiece is to observe the specimen. So we are keeping our eye here and observing the magnified specimen from here. And here is the cost adjustment knob, so I can adjust this body tube size by rotating this like this. So thank you for watching this video. Let's meet with another new and interesting video.